Ansab's question is based on verse number 52 from chapter 16, Surah An-Nahl. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وقال الله لا تتخذوا إلهين اثنين إنما هو إله واحد فإياي فارهبون. Translation is, Allah has said, take not for worship two gods, there is only one God, so fear me alone.
So could you kind of explain to us the reference to ilahayn ithnayn?
Can Huzur explain the reference in this verse regarding ilahayn ithnayn?
Ilahayn ithnayn. Three he understands refers to Christianity. So the Holy Quran presents God to be one and only one. So if he refutes Christianity by saying there are not three gods, some people stupidly might have thought that if there are not three, then maybe there are two. So God clearly refutes that. Secondly, in fact, although Jibreel or Ruh al-Qudus is also included in the Trinity, but many Christians believe that only God and Jesus Christ, they are two. So they believe in two gods, in fact. And when you read the teachings of the New Testament, you know, that's a different thing of the Christians. This crooked teaching of the present-day Christianity. Many sects among them call three but believe in two. That is why in their churches they never pray to the Holy Spirit. They pray to Jesus apart from God. So I think that could be one reason why the Holy Quran has specifically uprooted this concept.